Hello my friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. And today in my southern kitchen, I'm going to share with all of y'all a great dish that'll be a great addition to your Memorial Day barbecue or any barbecue during the summer, pasta salad. And you won't believe how simple this recipe is. And it's easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and we'll be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my macaroni salad and potato salad recipe and my previous video, strawberry cobbler. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your vegetables, your Parmesan cheese, and get your pasta boiling sugar because we're about to make some pasta salad magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, over here I have my 3 vegetables, 6 tomatoes, 2 cucumbers, and a bunch of green onions. We're going to chop them up. Alrighty, I got all my vegetables chopped, and I like to peel my cucumbers. You don't have to, you can leave them with the skin. So now we're going to set this aside. And over here in my bowl I have 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese that I grated, and we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Toss the coat. Alrighty, so now we're going to set this aside while we cook our pasta. Over here I have a saucepan filled with water, and I have my fire over high heat, and all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, our water has came to a boil. So now we're going to add some kosher salt to season and flavor the pasta. And this is optional. I'm going to add in a little olive oil. That'll help the pasta from sticking. Now we're going to add in a pound of rotini pasta. Very traditional in pasta salad, or you can use any pasta of your choice. And give it a quick stir. And we're going to let the pasta cook until it's al dente, about 7 to 8 minutes. Alrighty my friends, let's take a look at the pasta, see if it's al dente. And be very careful, I don't want to burn myself. It's very hot. Oh yeah, perfect. So now I'm going to cut my heat off, and I'm going to drain it and pour it into my bowl. Alrighty my friends, I have drained my pasta. So now it's time to add in our ingredients. Our Parmesan cheese and Italian seasoning. Our chopped veggies. And over here I have 1 bottle of salad dressing. I'm using the raspberry vinaigrette. Give this a quick stir until everything's well blended. Look at those colors. Isn't that pretty? And the heat from the pasta will melt the Parmesan cheese. Smells good. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring up my pasta salad, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up my pasta salad. So now we're going to cover it. You can use plastic wrap or aluminum foil. And we're going to place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes so all the flavors can marinate and make some love with each other. Alrighty, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Simple and easy pasta salad. Doesn't that look good? Now garnish it with some parsley flakes on top, and all the flavors has marinated. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Grab me a tomato and a cucumber, some pasta. Look at that. Have a bite. Mmm. The pasta's nice and tender. All the flavors perfectly layered. I love that crunch from the cucumber and the green onions and tomatoes. This pasta salad is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Pasta salad-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email. ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Memorial Day.